Welcome to Top 5 Best Picks. The Best Bracelet Making Kit is probably one of the most engaging and rewarding gifts for girls aged 5 to 7, offering a fantastic opportunity to unleash their creativity, develop essential fine motor skills, and enjoy hours of fun crafting unique bracelets that reflect their individual styles and personalities. This kit provides everything they need to create beautiful bracelets, fostering their imagination and self-expression while enhancing their hand-eye coordination and dexterity. Number 5. Neo-Brite Chains and Charms Kit. Unleash your inner designer. This kit has everything you need to make 10 stylish bracelets. Get ready to show off your amazing creations. With 195 neon beads, gold chains, and charms, the possibilities are endless. It's a treasure trove of jewelry-making materials. Making these bracelets isn't just fun, it also helps develop fine motor skills and creativity. It's a fantastic way to learn and play. Everything is included. From beads and chains to a handy play tray, you have all the tools you need to start crafting right away. Looking for a thoughtful gift? This kit provides hours of creative fun. It's the ideal present for any girl who loves arts and crafts. This kit is perfect for tweens and older girls who love fashion and crafting. Let them express their unique style. What we like? It lets you craft 10 stylish bracelets. It helps enhance fine motor skills while having creative fun. If you are looking for a fun and educational activity that sparks creativity, you should consider this one. What people say. My daughter has made so many bracelets for her friends with this kit. Many different ideas and the instructions are easy to follow. The colors and beads were cute but much less than I expected based on the size of the package. Also, I bought this for a 6-year-old and I think it would be tricky to donut independently based on the size of the beads. Great project for the right age, I like it. The beads are not too small, not too big. The size is great. Number 4. Dowsabel Clay Beads Bracelet Kit. It includes 4,500 flat polymer clay beads, 500 charms, stretchy string, scissors, and tweezers. Everything you need to start making bracelets and jewelry is right here, ready to begin your crafting journey. We've created easy-to-follow instructions and videos to guide you step by step. Learn how to use all the charms and accessories, making it fun and relaxing for everyone. These beads are made from healthy, environmentally friendly materials. They're light, durable, waterproof, and safe for kids aged 4 and up, even while swimming or bathing. With thousands of beads in 20 colors and tons of charms, the possibilities are endless. Create unique jewelry that reflects your personal style and imagination. It's a fantastic gift for birthdays or holidays. This kit helps kids develop hand-eye coordination, dexterity, and focus. It's a fun and meaningful present for any occasion. Our team carefully checks the quality of each kit. If you have any issues, our customer service will provide a solution within 24 hours. Your satisfaction is our priority. What we like? This kit includes thousands of beads and charms. It comes with instructions and videos to guide you. If you're a beginner or want a safe and fun craft for your child, this is a great option. What people say. With 72 vibrant colors and 4 separate boxes for easy organization, this kit offers an impressive variety of beads, giving you endless possibilities for creating beautiful and unique bracelets. The beads are made of high-quality clay, which is lightweight, durable, and perfect for stringing. Whether you're making friendship bracelets, necklaces, or other accessories, the beads have a smooth texture and come in a wide range of colors, making it easy to match any design. The kit also includes essential accessories like elastic cords and clasps, so you can start crafting right away without needing to buy additional supplies. The generous quantity of beads, 15,000 total, means you'll have plenty to work with, even for larger projects or for sharing the fun with friends and family. Number 3. BIRANCO Pop Beads Jewelry Kit. It's time to get creative. This kit has everything she needs to make bracelets, necklaces, and rings. With so many colors and shapes to choose from, the possibilities are endless. It includes extra hairbands too. Designed for easy use, even the youngest crafters can connect and disconnect the beads with ease. It's super simple. No complicated threading required, just snap and create. Make unique jewelry that reflects her personality. It's a fun and rewarding activity. It's the perfect gift for birthdays, holidays, or any special occasion. Watch their imagination bloom. What we like? It comes with 520 colorful snap beads. The beads connect easily without any thread. If you're looking for a simple and easy craft for young children, this is perfect. What people say. Cute little beads set, but they're not average beads. It's almost like playing Legos, so they snap into place. It's a little hard at first, but my daughter's only 5. That could be why some of the beads I had to help her snap, but whatever the case, the variations of things that they can create is amazing. Very colorful, very durable, a cute little gift for young girls. They are easy to handle and such fun bright colors. Comes in a nice little box, lots of pieces and colors, plus little accessories to create rings, bracelets, etc. She's been playing with it non-stop since Christmas last month, and nothing has broken. Number 2. Dowsabel Bracelet Making Kit. This kit has everything you need to create unique bracelets. Let's dive into the colorful world of jewelry making. It includes hundreds of pony beads in various colors, polymer clay beads with fun shapes, letter beads, and elastic string. You'll also find handy tools to help you create. All beads are conveniently stored in a 27-grid box for easy access and organization. The beads are sized perfectly for little hands to use. These beads are made from safe, durable, and waterproof materials. They're comfortable to wear and won't fade easily. Make bracelets, necklaces, or anything you can imagine. Let your creativity shine with this versatile kit. It's a fantastic gift for kids to develop their creativity, fine motor skills, and imagination. It's perfect for birthdays or holidays. What we like? It offers a wide variety of beads in different shapes, sizes, and colors. The beads are sized perfectly for little hands. If you want high-quality, durable beads for your projects, this is the one for you. What people say. Made 16 bracelets and have lots of leftover beads. Charms are cute and look well made. Colors are cute. I like the fact that they included a tweezer. It was such a good small muscle exercise for my daughter. Great quality beads for kids. Number 1. Gionlion Charm Bracelet Kit. This charming bracelet kit is a perfect gift for any young girl. It's beautifully packaged and ready for gifting, making it ideal for birthdays or holidays. With colorful glass, resin, and metal beads, plus pendants and chains, the possibilities are endless. Create unique bracelets reflecting your personal style. It includes 5 chains and simple, step-by-step instructions. No extra tools or glue are needed, making it perfect for kids. Let your creativity shine. Design bracelets with different themes, from unicorns to rainbows, and express yourself through your creations. The sturdy gift box doubles as a storage container, keeping all your beads and bracelets neatly organized. It's perfect for keeping everything together. The adjustable chains ensure a comfortable fit for most young girls. It's designed to be versatile and easy to wear. It's a great activity for parties or quiet time. Kids will have fun while learning basic jewelry making skills. What we like? This kit includes a large variety of charms and beads. It's easy to assemble, even for beginners. If you're looking for a fun and creative gift, this is a great choice. What people say. Versatile sizes true to picture, a variety of beads true to size, quality is true to the product, very beautiful bracelets. The charms are nice and durable. The charms are very well made. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.